Hello friends, welcome back to your channel Tidbit Knowledge. Today we have come up with another set of updates. Before moving into the updates, thank you everyone for very beautiful response that you have given to our videos.
Do you know which is India's highest sporting honor? It is Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. This award is given for spectacular and most outstanding performance in the field of sports over a period of 4 years at an international level. 5 names have been recommended for this year's award. They are Indian women team captain Rani Rampal for hockey, hitman Rohit Sharma for cricket, one of the Dangal sisters Vinesh Fogart for wrestling, Rio Paralympic gold medalist Mariappa Thangavellu for high jump, and Manika Batra for table tennis. While the entire world's economy is crashing, here is an Indian company that is continuously magnifying its valuation. Yes, without any second thought, it is Reliance. Second thought se yaad aaya, as per Future Brand Index 2020, Reliance Industries Limited is now ranked number 2 brand globally after Apple. Apple, the company which has recently crossed $2 trillion market cap. Beirut blast is an eye-opener for many countries for storing seized or unclaimed hazardous goods for a long time. Indian authorities have also taken steps and have started a special drive of 35 days from 11th August to 15 September to dispose of such goods which can pose a threat to life and property. Let us now move from international to our own ground reality, India's economic condition. Are you a jewelry fan? Here's a chance for you to invest not only in jewelry but also the company itself. Almost after 8 years, a jewelry company is coming out with an IPO. It is a Kerala-based company which most of you would have definitely heard about. It is Kalyan Jewellers. It has filed draft red herring prospectus DRHP with SEBI to raise around 1750 crores. There are two components to it. 1000 crores is a fresh issue and an offer for sale of rupees 750 crores. And by the way, the last company which came with the IPO was PC Jewellers, as per RBI's annual report of the year 1920. Before we continue further, please note that RBI follows July to June reporting. That is, this report is for the year ended 30th June 2020. Frauds reported by banks have more than doubled in value to over 1.85 lakh crores in 1920 compared with over 71,500 crores in 1890. Out of this, public sector banks accounted for 80% of the total cases. If you are thinking only negative things are going all around, then wait, there are few good things as well. And also a bonus at the end of this video. Before that, here is a question for you all. Who is currently the fastest human calculator? Calculate and comment your answers below. India ka SpaceX. Hyderabad-based Skyroot Aerospace has become first Indian startup to successfully test fire homegrown rocket engine called Raman. It is named after India's Nobel laureate Sir C.V. Raman. It is said that this will help in placing multiple satellites into the orbit. For all the job seekers who are currently looking for an employment opportunity, here is something which might be useful to you. Google has launched Kormo Jobs app in India to help the job seekers get their desired jobs. Check out the app, the link is in the description. And unfortunately, this video is not sponsored.
Thank you friends for being till end. Subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon and don't forget to answer today's question. And also don't forget to watch motivational clip. Have a great time.
मनुष्य के हृदय में भय का साम्राज्य रहता है सदा। कभी संपत्ति के नाश का भय, कभी अपमान का भय, कभी अपनों से छूट जाने का भय। इसीलिए भय का होना सबको स्वाभाविक ही लगता है। क्या कभी विचार किया है, जो स्थिति अथवा वस्तु भय को जन्म देती है, क्या वहीं से वास्तव में दुख आता है? नहीं, ऐसा तो कोई नियम नहीं। और सबका अनुभव तो ये बताता है कि भय धारण करने से भविष्य के दुख का निवारण नहीं होता। भय केवल आने वाले दुख की कल्पना मात्र ही है, वास्तविकता से इसका कोई संबंध नहीं है। तो क्या ये जानते हुए भी कि भय कुछ और नहीं केवल कल्पना मात्र ही है, इससे मुक्त होकर निर्भय बन पाना क्या बहुत कठिन है? अवश्य विचार कीजिएगा।